I'm actually over here to do a YouTube subscriber meetup here in Tampa.
The ramp?
Yeah. These are all the people that showed up to our group here. I know it's a little weird, but I put 2 stickers up there. Good morning, story chasers. It's a bright, sunshiny day again. I'm over here in, where am I at? I'm over here in Tampa, Florida, and I'm at a rest area actually. It's the Skyway Bridge rest area. It's really nice. You can see the ocean is behind me, and ooh, it's so bright. I have to have my shades on, sorry guys. I tried to get out of the sun. I'm actually under a like picnic awning thing over here, but it's still early in the morning. It's 8 o'clock and the sun is like directly, it's not completely overhead yet, so as soon as it gets overhead it'll be a lot better. But ooh, it gets hot here to me. Like let's see, it says it's only 62, but it's seriously humid, and I'm moving around, and yeah, it just gets hot. It doesn't help that I'm in menopause too, so oh yeah, the joys of womanhood. So I'm actually over here to do a YouTube subscriber meetup here in Tampa. I'm so excited to meet everybody. They should be here around 10 o'clock, but I wanted to get here early and secure the spot over here. I have 2 picnic tables. So here's the one, and then of course mine. There's my van, and they have these like little rooftops, which are nice. And then Miss Lily is right down here. Hi, Kara. You good? We've got the beautiful waters over here. So when I left you, I was actually near Tallahassee. I was doing the Scenic Highway Byway over there. So when I pulled into Tampa, I stayed at that Cracker Barrel off the highway. And then Thousand Trails actually had a cancellation over here near this area, and I decided to go ahead and get that for 2 days, which allowed me to do my income taxes that I needed to do for my business and my personal, get all of that stuff out of the way, and then edit a couple of videos. And then check this out, I got 2 extra days in Key West. I'm so excited. I wanted to get like a whole week, but they didn't have it available, so I got the 2 extra days, so I'm headed down there. I have to be there Wednesday, and today is Saturday. Also, I wanted to tell you, I've got bug spray here. This is DEET-free insect repellent. I've got it all over my feet, my body. I hate putting that stuff on me. It's awful. I even have Skin So Soft oil on me. Like, I've done it all because I got bitten by no-see-ums at the park still, at the campground. And I thought I was doing good with stuff, but I don't know. We'll see how this works. Alright guys, I'm gonna actually do some work right now. I've got my breakfast. I actually have this dark chocolate Royal Atkins meal replacement. I have these tiny little bananas that I found. I think there's an actual name for them that starts with an M, but I can't remember. And I have my coffee, and I have water. One of the cool things that I've done, which I absolutely love, thanks to Jackery, I brought out my Jackery 1000, hooked it up here, and I have my computer plugged in, my phone, I have my hotspots, and then I have my solar panels down here. I only brought out the one because that's about all I need. The Jackery battery was pretty charged up, so had about 86%, but I thought, well, while I'm out here and working and using up some of the energy, I might as well deploy the solar panel and get some more energy while I'm consuming. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait for everybody. That is one of the things that I really love about having my van everywhere I go. It's my home, so everything that I own is in there. If I need something, I just run in there and grab it really quickly. If I need to go to the bathroom, I can do that. If I need to eat, I can get that. If I need to go to the grocery store, it's just all right there. The joys of having your home everywhere you go.
You can be a little grumpy, this guy here. So you want to go see Lily? Hi, there's your girlfriend.
Yeah, I think we got a great site.
And what are your plates? From
South Carolina.
South Carolina?
Yeah.
All right. And you're in a fifth wheel.
Look for that.
The ramp?
Yeah, we thought
These are all the people that showed up to our group here. Such a wonderful meetup.
I stay with my daughter. There's your
Okay.
and I took
Very cool.
I'll look for you.
Okay, see ya.
Take care.
Wait, come here, Oliver.
Nice to meet you.
Are you leaving?
Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Oliver, can you say
Oliver.
goodbye?
Hey, Oliver, come here. He's like, gives me that side eye like Lily does. Lily, you okay? Lily is pooped. Lily cracks me up. She had so much interaction, so many treats. Oh my gosh, she was the star of the show for our meetup. It was so cute. So many people giving her loving treats. She got all kinds of treats. She got kisses and hugs and scratches. Oh my gosh, look at her. She's tired. Are you tired, baby? I'm tired. I've never seen her like this before. You tired, honey? Oh, look at her. She's not even opening her eyes. You okay, baby? Too much stimulus? Oh my gosh. We had so many people show up and it was amazing to meet you guys and really get to know you and kind of what your story is and where you're at if you're deciding to do something like this on the road with traveling, or if you're comfortable just being in the stationary life, which is okay too, by the way. But it was so amazing to meet everyone, and we were in this beautiful place out here. Like, we couldn't have asked for a better day. It was really, really nice. Except the bugs were still biting me. Oh my gosh, I probably have at least 10 more bites. It's ridiculous. And I had bug spray on me too. It's those no-see-ums. Like, I don't know how to keep them away. It's awful. And everybody tells me it's gonna get worse when we go to Key West. All right, we gotta hit the road. I moved up my date to go to Key West, so we need to leave, and I need to be in the city, I think it's called Homestead, just north of the Keys, by Tuesday, so that I can prepare to leave early Wednesday morning to head out on the Keys, because I want to, like, you know, kind of sightsee and stuff along the Keys as I'm going to Key West. And today is Saturday, so I really have Sunday and Monday to get myself together and get through 2 more scenic byways. It's in my National Geographic book. I do not want to pass those up. It's gonna be a whirlwind. I'm gonna be so tired when I get to Key West. It's just beautiful out here. This is the Sunshine Skyway Bridge that we went over earlier, but it's like straight up. It's crazy. That area out there on the right that looks like it could be part of the old bridge, and I think it was, but it's the piers now for fishermen to go out there and fish off of those piers. They have them on each side, the south and the north side of this bridge. Look at those waters, how greenish blue it is. It's just so pretty. People have it good here in Florida with all of this water, the fishing, the sun. Just not those bugs though. Those no-see-ums are horrible. Well, we had such a great event over there, but after I left, I tell you, I was tired, but I needed to book it fast down south somewhere. So I drove, I guess, for probably about 2.5 hours maybe. And we're in Naples, Florida now, at a Cracker Barrel, but oh goodness. Okay, wait a minute before, I'm gonna have to stop all of this. I have got this blinking light. That light actually has been giving me problems for a while. I looked inside there to see if I could change the bulb. It's a pain in the butt. I'm gonna have to buy something online. I couldn't get the wires actually detached from each other, so oh my gosh, that's gonna drive me crazy. I think we're just gonna put something over it. So let me see what I can find. All right, so I think I'm gonna put a sticker over it. We'll see what happens. Perfect size. Hey, if this works, oh, you can still see it blinking a little bit. I know it's a little weird, but I put 2 stickers up there, and I also put a post-it note underneath the 2 stickers to give it a little bit more coverage. So you can see it blinking a little bit when you look directly at it, but if I'm just looking like out here, I don't see it blinking. Plus, I still get a little bit of light from the side. I'm only doing this kind of a weird way of covering it right now until I can actually fix it. So it's better than chopping the wires right now, which I don't feel comfortable doing. I think that's what it's gonna take until I get that other one ordered. God, I got more bites. Dang it. I got bit like crazy today. I had Skin So Soft on, and then I also had bug spray, but it was the one that's DEET free. Didn't work. I have bites all over me. I've got more band-aids on my legs, on my arms. Here's the triage of everything right here. It's ridiculous. Band-aids everywhere, Neosporin. The Neosporin seems to be the only thing that really seems to help it to not itch and actually make sure that it goes away in a very short amount of time, compared to just putting the cortisone on it or the calamine lotion. Those don't seem to really do the trick as fast. So sorry, I'm looking, I keep feeling like bugs are itching me. It's awful. And I heard today from the subscriber meetup that I had that the no-see-ums in Key West are even worse. So I have some more spray coming. I do have some regular off that has DEET in it, and I probably will start using that, because as much as I hate to put that on my skin, this is probably worse. It's awful. Like, it's painful. The no-see-ums are worse than mosquito bites. It's painful. It's super itchy. I've got band-aids all over me now. Neosporin, the bug bites from Alabama, they're still kind of going away. I look really shiny. It is hot. Oh my goodness. I think it's just the humidity, and my face is flushed from the heat. This is what happens to me. My skin is like super sensitive. So, and hopefully these bites won't itch tomorrow, because like I just want to itch them really bad right now. They're awful. They're so bad. First of all, I want to thank everybody for showing up. We had such an amazing time, and I really, really enjoyed my time with everybody. I was so glad to see everybody kind of conversing with each other and really talking about their stories. We had some people who were already in vans there, I think 3 or 4 besides myself, so they were able to kind of give their experience to other people as well about their van life and RVing, whether they were part-time or full-time. I was so absolutely touched when I got some gifts while I was there. Thank you so much, Tara, for my honey. It's local honey from Bradenton, Florida, which is right there near Tampa. So Tara gave this to me. If you see her in the YouTube group in the comments, she actually looks like Farrah Fawcett in there. That's her picture. So thank you so much, Tara, for that. And then Alligator gave me this card, which I'm just now going to open. Live, laugh, love. Super cute. Ooh, there's something in there. Aww. Ooh, Starbucks. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. That is so cool. So Elise, that's her real name, Elise, but she goes by Alligator on YouTube. You have a gift and you're using it to help others follow their dreams. I enjoy your peaceful energy. Thanks for being you. Safe travels and lots of story chasing. Elise, in parentheses, Alligator. I love it. And she has a sticker here, which I really, really love too. Dreamcatcher. Dear Amber, happy early birthday. My birthday is in May. We have the same birthday actually, which is really cool. I hope you will be able to celebrate with your loved ones for the big 5-0. I know, I can't believe it. 5-0. You and Lily are such a blessing in this world. Aww. That's so sweet. It touches me. You know I'm a crier. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I will definitely use that Starbucks card, and I thank you so much for coming out to the meetup. It was amazing to finally meet you and get to know you as well. Okay, and then Dale, I didn't even know Dale was coming. So Dale, thank you very much for showing up. And he shows up to the meeting and says, hey, I got a gift for the biggest star here, which was Lily, and Lily got some bones. I'm gonna have to probably cut these up a little bit for her because they're a little bit big for her. People think that Lily is bigger than she really is. She's only 10 pounds and she's kind of tiny. So I will be breaking these up for her so she can chomp on them. So thank you so much, Dale, for that. I really appreciate it. Also, Vicky, who showed up as well. Vicky, she was so sweet to bring Krispy Kreme donuts for everybody. I, however, did not partake because I was being really, really good and not eating the sugar. But I so appreciate her thought and her intention, which is absolutely beautiful. And a lot of other people got some enjoyment out of the 2 boxes of Krispy Kreme donuts that she brought. So I was super excited to see her. I was super excited to see everybody there and really be able to put that face with a name. Sometimes you guys use your real names on there, sometimes you use a different name. So it was really good to be able to meet you guys and get to know you and your stories as well. So thank you so much for that. All right, then I have one other thing that I wanted to show you guys. I'm so excited about this. So I picked up my mail. I got a new microphone. This is different than the one that I currently use. This one is more, well, this one was a little bit more expensive. And it's supposed to be better for the wind. And then I got this wind muff that a lot of people recommend. It's the mini wind jammer that fits over it. I'm having problems with the wind around the ocean because it's so windy around there sometimes. I'm hoping that this will cut out that wind. I hope, because it's kind of awful and my footage comes out really terrible for audio. Footage is fine, that's the audio that can suck. And then, oh, just more vitamins for my hair growth. These actually seem to be doing a really good job. I actually have a piece I'm not going to show you up here. I look like alfalfa. I've got this one like piece of hair that's about that long that just sticks right up. Alright guys, I'm gonna go hop into bed, watch a movie tonight I think, and chill out. So I appreciate you coming along on this journey with me today. I love you so much. Thanks for supporting my channel, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Good night.